Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a haul from MAQUIBEAUTY.com. This is a Spanish website, but they do ship to Portugal and other countries in Europe. So in here I have a few beauty products for me and also for my fiance. If you like this kind of videos, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. And I did resist and didn't buy any makeup, but I still have 40 euros in here. So if you want to see what's in the box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just need my tiny scissors to cut the tape. I said that I didn't buy any makeup. Does SFX things count as makeup? I really don't know. Okay, so I have the receipt with all the prices. I will leave everything linked in the description box. Okay, so to start, I bought a different foundation brush. So I wanted a flat foundation brush. And I bought this one from Technic Cosmetics. This says it's a synthetic hair brush and against animal testing, which is very nice. So this comes very nicely packaged. It looks like this. It feels just like a synthetic brush, but it does feel soft. And this one was €2.95, which is a very good price for a foundation brush. Doesn't seem to be losing any hairs, so that is very good. Okay, so then I bought two things to try to do kind of SFX makeup looks. And these are by the brand Paint Glow. So I got a set of liquid latex and I also got a set of fake blood. It comes packaged like this, and these also say they are not tested on animals. So this comes with 3 little squeezy tubes of 13 milliliters each. And then also the fake blood is kind of the exact same packaging. It looks like this. And these were €5.70 each. Then I got another dry shampoo. I bought another one of the Batiste Cherry. This one has a very nice kind of fruity smell, and I really love this one. I have it on my January favorites, I think. And this was €3.99. Then the final thing that I bought for me, but I still have a few samples, it was the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Long shampoo. Now this is to help repair damage on long hair, and I am trying to let my hair grow, you know, for the wedding. And I really wanted to try this. It smells very, very good. And this is a 370 milliliter bottle, and it cost me also €3.99. Then they also sent me the usual 30 grams of gummies, and then they sent a sample of the Garnier BB cream, and this is in the shade medium. So I'll have to give this one a try for kind of like a no makeup day. And they also sent me a sample that I'm really excited to try, but it is the most tiny beauty blender you'll ever see. So this is really the sample size of the beauty blender. It even comes with a little water thing. So I don't think I will be able to test this for my full face, but I will try to do a video on this, maybe for like the under eye area. I think it will be interesting. And then, as I said, I also bought a few things for my fiance. The first one was this L'Oreal Studio Line 7 hair wax. So he said he really loved the hair wax they use on him in the salon, but he wanted to try something on the house. Doesn't smell like much. So he needed something to kind of try and style his hair, and this one was €4.50. And then I also got something for his beard. I got him a set. This is the L'Oreal Men Expert Barber Club set, and this has a shampoo and a beard oil. Now this set was €14.40, and let me just open it. This is cheaper than buying the two products. A lot of unnecessary packaging. So this is the shampoo. It's for hair, beards and face. And this is a 200 milliliter bottle. And then the beard oil comes in another package. It's a glass bottle. So it comes in this glass bottle and it's got a pump. Just curious to smell it. It does drop a lot in one pump. It smells really, really good, and it does feel very hydrating. Yeah, so he wanted something to kind of see if his beard would get softer, and yeah, I guess he'll have to test these, and then maybe I'll say what he thought of it when they're empty. Okay, so these were all the things that I bought for me and my fiance. Let me know in the comments below if you've already tried any of these things and what you think of them. And if you like this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. And yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!